Hello everyone, welcome to my another video where today I'll be talking about the importance of Himalayas to India. How important are these mountains are for us? What are the kind of support these Himalayas mountains have provided to us? So let's begin with today's video on Himalayas. Why are Himalayas important to a country like India? The Himalayas plays a significant role in influencing the climate of India. By virtue of high altitude, length and direction, they effectively intercept the summer monsoons coming from the Bay of Bengal and Arabian Sea and cause precipitation in the form of rain or snow. The Himalayas are a great climatic barrier. They save our country from the cold and dry winds of Central Asia. It also prevents the rain-laden monsoon winds of Indian Ocean from crossing over to northern countries and causes heavy rainfall in the northern India. The Himalayas are the body and soul of India. In a very special measure, the Himalayas constitute India's national mountain system. There are some points and significance of Himalayas which I am going to present in this video of today. Firstly, we will talk about climatic influence. The Himalayas plays a very crucial role in influencing the climate of India. By virtue of the high altitude, length and direction, they effectively intercept the summer monsoons coming from the Bay of Bengal and Arabian Sea and cause precipitation in the form of snow or rain. Besides, they prevent the cold continental air masses of Central Asia from entering into India. Had there been no Himalayas, the whole of India would have been a desert in the absence of precipitation, and its winters would have been very severe under the influence of cold air masses coming from Central Asia. According to the latest meteorological studies, the Himalayas are responsible for splitting the jet stream into two branches, which in turn plays a very important role to bring monsoon rains in India. Next, we'll talk about defense. The Himalayas have been protecting India from the outside invaders since the early times, thus serving us as a defense barrier. But the Chinese aggression on India in October 1962 had reduced the defense significance of the Himalayas to a considerable extent. In spite of the advancement in modern warfare technology, the defense significance of the Himalayas cannot be ignored altogether. Next, we have source of rivers. Almost all the great rivers in India have their sources in the Himalayan range. Abundant rainfall and vast snowfields as well as large glaciers are the feeding grounds of the mighty rivers in India. Snow melt in summer provides water to these rivers even during dry season, and these are perennial rivers. The Himalayan rivers, along with hundreds of tributaries, form the very basis of life in the whole of North India. Then we'll talk about the fertile soil. The fertile soil. The great rivers and the tributaries carry enormous quantities of aluminium while descending from the Himalayas. This is deposited in the great plain of North India in the form of fertile soil, making the plain one of the most fertile lands of the world. Hydroelectricity. The Himalayan region offers several sites which can be used for producing hydroelectricity. There are natural waterfalls at certain places, while dams can be constructed across rivers at some other places. The vast potential of the Himalayan rivers still awaits proper utilization. Next, we have one of the most important sector, that is agriculture. The Himalayas do not offer extensive flatlands for agriculture, but some of the slopes are terraced for cultivation. Rice is the main crop of the terraced slopes. The other crops are wheat, maize, potatoes, tobacco and ginger. Tea is a unique crop which can be grown in the hilly slopes only. A wide variety of fruits such as apples, pears, grapes, mulberry, walnut, cherries, peaches, apricot, etc. are also said to have grown in the same Himalayan region. Talking about a prime sector, that is something which we cannot ignore, none other than the tourism sector. By virtue of the scenic beauty and healthy environment, the Himalayan ranges have developed a large number of tourist spots. The hilly areas in the Himalayas offer cool and comfortable climate, while the neighboring plains are reeling under the scorching heat of the summer season. Then we'll talk about pilgrimage. Apart from places of tourist interest, the Himalayas are proud of being studded with various shrines which are considered to be the abode of gods. Large number of pilgrims trek through different terrain to pay the reverence to these sacred shrines. Amarnath, Badrinath, Kedarnath, Vaishno Devi, Jwalaji Uttarkashi, Gangotri, Yamunotri, etc. are said to be the prime sectors, the prime important places of the pilgrimage. Minerals. The Himalayan region contains many valuable minerals. There are vast potentialities of mineral oil in the tertiary rocks. Coal is found in Kashmir. Copper, zinc, nickel, gold, silver, limestone and far other precious stones are known to occur at more than 100 localities in the Himalayas. Unfortunately, many of the mineral resources cannot be exploited at the present level of technological advancement due to adverse geographical conditions. Further advancement in modern technology may help in exploiting these resources. So, the future possibilities of mineral exploitation in the Himalayas are set to grow. So, this was all regarding the Himalayan region. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you're able to understand. Thank you.